My name's Dave Rettinger. I'm the second generation owner-operator of Rettinger Fireplace. Before Striven, we were operating across multiple different disconnected software platforms. So there was a lot of manual data entry, double data entry, and then moving information from one software to the next. Another problem that we were facing was communication, both internally and with our customer-facing communications. The other things that we were looking to do was maintain our reputation for a growing customer base. What brought us to where we are today is not what will bring us to where we need to be tomorrow and to serve the next phase of growth. Striven has allowed our team to unify. All of the communication can happen across the platform, whether you're in a sales order, a purchase order, or a task. You can message the customer, keep them up to date every step of the way, as well as collaborate across teams. That visibility that team members have into just appointments that are coming into the showroom, any notes from prior conversations, photos that the customer shared with us, as well as the technicians in the field, being able to access everything that the office has. It's been truly, priceless. The Striven implementation team and the support team has been extremely responsive, and I do feel like I have a voice in the company as far as making sure that I have the tools necessary. They're very vested in helping us to solve our business challenges. In software companies, you just don't find that. You find an implementation person who's going to get you up and running and send you on your way. I feel like with Striven, I've been able to come to them throughout the life of our relationship and bring them our challenges and get their feedback. How do they recommend that we solve this problem using their tool? And they've been extremely constructive and collaborative in doing so. So that's definitely made me most happy.